Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add these fun 2024 recap to your Instagram story using just 6 photos. As the year comes to an end, it's the perfect time to create a memorable photo dump and reflect on your best moments. Let's get started! Open Instagram and head over to our official profile. Once you're on the profile, tap on the highlight named 2024 Recap. Scroll through the highlight and pick the sticker that stands out to you. It's super easy. Next, tap Add Yours and it'll open in your Instagram camera. From here, you can either snap 6 new photos using the collage icon or select your favorite moments from your gallery that truly capture your 2024 highlights. Once your photos are ready, post your story and voila! Your 2024 recap photo dump is complete. And that's it. Now you can share your favorite memories from 2024 with friends and family and let them join in the fun by creating their own recap stories. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more Instagram tips, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.